my name is Ben Reynolds. I'm the director and founder of a company called URBAN FOUNDY, and we're a creative regeneration agency. What that means is that we undertake projects which are about improving people's lives, making better places and building better businesses in towns and cities. Some of the projects that we've been working on as examples of what we do. So one that we're working on right now is called Pop-Up Wales, and Pop-Up Wales is taking empty shop spaces, we've got rather a lot of them after the pandemic, and putting temporary activities in them. Might be business, might be an art project, might be a charity, just something to activate the space. Swansea-based street markets project that we set up, which runs the Uplands, Marina, Mumbles, Port Talbot and Pontardawe street markets. They pop up once, twice a month and provide spaces for artisan sellers. The place that I'm currently sitting in is also another one of our projects. So this is called HQ Urban Kitchen, and it's a social enterprise cafe and venue which is set up to provide fair trade, locally sourced produce, a place that you can come and co-work from, but also a place that hosts events, activities, cultural things like book launches and live music. Being a purpose-driven business for us is that we exist to forge great ideas, and what that means is improving people's lives, making great places and building better businesses. We're also Swansea's first B Corp. The B Corp is an independent accreditation. It's a little bit like the fair trade mark on tea and coffee that shows you meet the highest standards of ethics and transparency as a company. So we're really proud to be Swansea's first, Wales's third, purpose-driven company and accredited B Corp.